Alex Abea is our guest. You'll definitely hear him back in the near future for a full 2 hours. The website is alexabea.com. The book is Shadow Enemies. Was a previous book. The latest is Soldiers of Reason, the Rand Corporation, the American Empire. This is cold-blooded scientific dictatorship going back 150 years to Galton and others. They were commissioned by the British government. My film Endgame covers it, to come up with a scientific way of full dominance. By the 50s, they called it full spectrum dominance. And the most horrible things you can imagine is their plan. Once they get the Pentagon in your daily life, the secret police, this control grid, 20% of Americans on psychotropic drugs, it's only the beginning. Destroying the family, forcing people into the workforce, both the man and the woman. It's all a master plan, and we'll talk about this more with him in the future. But in the 4 minutes we've got left, then we're going into overdrive with Mr. Lott, the professor, who was going to be speaking at UT tonight, but they canceled it because of the shooting. We're going to be talking to John Lott coming up via cell phone from a car. But, sir, you've got the floor in the last 4 minutes.
Well, nothing. I just wanted to mention that the original title that I had for the book, which was changed by my editor, was Soldiers of Reason, the Rand Corporation, and the Rise of the New World Order. So, I mean, obviously they have been playing along with this. They have been planning it. They have been part of it. They're proud of it. And I just feel that this is something that we all have to do something about. We cannot allow this kind of thinking to prevail. That's not America. That's not our country.
Well, that's not humanity. I mean, humanity as we know it is over under these people's rule.
Yeah, exactly. And you know, they're extending their control over us every day. And the funny thing is that it's being done in such small measures, so gradually. It's like like the story of the frog, right? How to keep the frog from jumping out, right? You gradually increase the water temperature, so like in the end, it cooks without even realizing that it's dying. And that's what's happening to this country. That's why, in a way, the first thing, this is one of the things I want to do with my book. I want people to regain their minds, because it all starts with your mind, with your conception. Your thoughts are everything, and how you see the world. And once you have knowledge, once you're aware of that, then you can begin to take it back.
Alex, our logo here with Alex Jones at Infowars.com is because there's a war on for your mind. Becoming aware of this full spectrum assault is the beginning of victory. To use one of their own terms, knowing is half the battle. We have to face up to the cold-blooded, almost reptilian attack. And by reptilian, that primitive, unfeeling, just instinctive will to dominate. And everybody working for this compartmentalized system needs to get outside the box and see the big picture.
Absolutely, because it's all so seductive. It's so seductive. I mean, who doesn't want a nice car? Who doesn't want a big house and all the accoutrements that go with it? But first of all, you're not going to get it. And second of all, even if you do get it, there's nothing there, because then you're always, it's like a spinning wheel, it's like you're going round and round and round. You never quite achieve what you want, because you're being trapped in a world in which everything is illusory, and in which everything is like you're being tantalized by these things that you just have to go back and claim your humanity. And that's what we have to do.
Well, exactly. And people inside the power structure, billionaires and others I've talked to, they're scared. They know they're trying to get mountain redoubts, on Pacific Islands, and are literally preparing for the end of the world. And I say, why? And they go, there'll be nothing left. They're taking it all over you. You're right. And I mean, this is full spectrum dominance. But we don't need those wealthy people, part of the power structure, to run from what their associates have created. We have to have an open public debate about this and say, no.
Absolutely.
I'm not taking microchips in my brain.
That's right.
I don't want Google tracking everything I'm doing. I don't want to be forced on drugs. I don't want to be a biological android. Alex, we salute you. I'm going to have my producers call you here in about 3 minutes. God bless you, sir. I hope everybody reads your book.
All right. Thank you.
Amazing interview. We'll be right back, folks.